powerful tornado struck on September 22 in Guamuchil, Sinaloa, Mexico. The authorities pointed out that due to the intensity of the wind and the speed it reached, it was classified as an F1 on the Fujita-Pearson scale. Various witnesses captured on video the moment when the phenomenon began to form, and then landed and chaos began. Some people were surprised in the street by the gusts of wind. Those with time ran for cover, but some held on to what they could. The tornado passed through the city in 20 minutes and then moved towards Mocorito Highway. It caused multiple damages to buildings, trees and the electrical network in the downtown area. It was calculated that the wind force reached 120 km per hour. The phenomenon brought down a spectacular, which hit a car. The sheets of the roof of a business came off and caused injuries to the face of an employee. On the other hand, a cultural event that was taking place in the main square was cancelled. In addition, the branches and debris forced the authorities to close some streets and avenues for a long time. The Municipal Civil Protection Unit received reports of the fall of 12 trees, 4 tin roofs, 4 high-voltage cables, as well as urban furniture and a billboard, in addition to damage to some facades of homes and businesses. In addition, the person who was injured is already out of danger. Tell me your opinion about this news in the comments, and remember that by leaving your like and sharing the video you help this information reach more people. My name is Johnny. See you later with more information.